Hey guys, I got an interesting video I wanted to share with you today. I caught this last night when I was sort of watching the skies at night, and I caught something strange, and I thought I'd share it with you and get your opinion on it, see what you think. So let's just get straight into it. So what you've got here is you've just got a star here. It's the only real visible light source in the sky, and then all of a sudden this light just appears from the bottom and it moves up to the top and it just kind of disappears, it just kind of turns off, and it doesn't reappear, it doesn't come back on. And it's quite unusual because at first I thought it was just a satellite, and satellites tend to vary in dimness. Sometimes they can dim off or get a bit brighter, but I never really see them just completely disappear. I'm pretty sure it probably is a satellite, I just don't know why it disappears, turns off like that. So if anybody can give me an explanation for that, that'd be pretty cool. But I thought that was pretty strange. But anyway, as I was watching this, I couldn't help but notice something. I kept seeing a flash, but I couldn't quite pinpoint to where it was. And I showed this to my dad, and he made a comment how there was another kind of flash near where the star is. So I kind of just stared at it, and if you look really carefully, you'll see a very faint flash, almost like a line. Now I don't know how well this will translate into YouTube. Quite often it doesn't translate very well, and I have to really up the brightness on the videos. But there's a very, very faint line. So I've slowed this down. We're just going to have a look at that now. Now just focus on where the star is and look to the top left of just above the star. As the UFO disappears, there's a strange light. It just kind of, it's almost like diagonal, like a zigzag. See, it kind of goes down and then it goes across. It's a very, very strange movement. Not seen anything like it before. Now I thought at first it could just be like a glitch in the video or something, but the fact that you can see it without really zooming in says otherwise to me. Now I've zoomed in a lot on this one and changed the brightness again. Now it's really pixelated, so I'm sorry if it just looks like utter rubbish. And I apologise if you can't see it either, but just look to the sort of left, upper left of the star. You see it? It kind of goes down and then it goes right. It's a really peculiar movement. It's definitely not a pixel, it stands out from the pixels, at least I think it does. Kind of goes down and then right. Down and right. And it wasn't until looking at this that I noticed underneath the star there's a similar sort of line appearing, and it occurs at the exact same time, which makes me think it could be the same object, like it's one big craft. I don't know. It's very unusual. But yeah, I hope you could see this in YouTube. Like I said, I don't know how well it'll translate into YouTube, but if you can see it, let me know what you think. I don't think it's a meteorite or a satellite because they don't move that way. It pretty much changes direction, and satellites and meteorites don't do that. So let me know what you guys think. I appreciate the comments. Cheers.